Welcome guys to yet another Pepe video today on our channel. My name is Ben from Memecoin Capital and we are going to talk about this particular meme coin today. It's been a while since I posted the last update on this coin and I talked very extensively about our Elliot wave counts in the last video. And if you didn't see it, I can only recommend checking it out because I said some important things about the wave movements of the last months. And today we are going to look at the wave movements which of course have unfolded since then. And first of all, I want to tell you guys that 3 days ago I opened my first PEPE position, and I know this is a meme coin and meme coins are very risky because they can rug pull or get manipulated and so on and so on, and I have only one open position in this coin. And if you know me, I hold several positions in altcoins like in Solana 3, in Bitcoin 2, and in Chainlink also 2, and PEPE only represents a small fraction of my portfolio, and of course I can take this risk with PEPE. And today I want to update you about our long trade, and I announced it on our website. Like I said, 3 days ago, I wrote on our website how I went long in PEPE, long position. We are adding a position in PEPE to our altcoin portfolio with the price I bought and with our chart. And if you aren't familiar with our website, we post about Bitcoin and Ethereum and many altcoins like Solana, Chainlink, Phantom, Polkadot, and VeChain, and also PEPE as a bonus. And if you missed this long trade, I can only say the following. Please consider signing up on our website, because I post about with my colleagues about our mentioned assets on our website. Right now our memberships are free of charge, and I will never post long position updates or any trades on YouTube. Please, if you don't want to miss another trade, then consider signing up on our website. I will leave the link below. And yes, I bought that 1.2, approximately a few cents down here, and this is the long-term chart in PEPE. And yes, the price unfolded like I expected, but in our YouTube video I highlighted this alternative hype wave 2, and initially I thought about that we would establish a wave B right here, but we didn't, and this alternative came true. So please listen when I talk about alternative scenarios, because they are very important, and I think I've talked about this enough. So that's the long-term chart in PEPE, and you might remember this huge bullish impulse in which PEPE gained a lot of investors and many people bought, and this was the top of our hype wave 1. And after that, a pretty harsh dip followed, which raised about 82% of its value, and we reached a 0.786 retracement, which is very important for a wave 2. And we entered our buy zone, our green highlighted buy zone, and this was the bottom of the hype wave 2. And right now I estimated we established a bullish wave 1-2 setup, which I'm going to talk about in our short-term chart. But what I want to tell you guys is the following. This is a wave 1-2 setup right here. This is the wave 1-2 setup, and we have established a wave 2 correction, and after that a wave 3 follows. So my expectation is that over the matter of the next months, like September and October, we should establish a pretty impulsive wave 3, which will bring us above the last all-time high, and after that a wave 4, and after that a wave 5, which will bring us to our hype wave 3 target. And as you can see from the price we entered this trade, oops, I didn't intend to do that. From the time we entered, this trade had a potential of nearly 600%. So quite an impressive return if we are correct with our forecast. And of course we could move even higher in this hype wave. Nobody knows how far a meme coin will go. And if I just show you this, if all investors who followed us with this trade can expect a return of up to 600%, 700%, or even 800%. So a pretty impressive return. But I just want to highlight, meme coins are very risky, and please don't go all in or do something stupid like this. I would only put a portion of your portfolio into this. So if you have questions about that, please write a message to me and sign up on our website. That would be really, really cool. And let's get to our short-term chart. It's exactly the same and just much more zoomed in with our wave 1 right here and our wave 2 right here and the bottom of our hype wave 2 right there. And this is the trade we entered, and I highlighted this in my article. We didn't put a stop loss on this. This is a physical position. I don't gamble on this with leverage. Please keep this in mind. And there's always an alternative which could push us down further. But as of now, I estimate that this was the bottom right here. This was on the 7th of August. So not so long ago, and right now I estimate that this has to be some sort of wave 1-2 right here. But of course I track an alternative where this could be a wave A and a wave B, and we would establish a wave C, which would bring us down to our entry again. And if you didn't invest or aren't invested in Pepe right now, this might resemble a very good buying opportunity again. So who knows what scenario will happen, but what's for sure is that I expect that we should be moving higher in the next days and weeks. And we should reach our orange extension zone right here. But this extension zone isn't really important because this upward movement can extend a lot. So I wouldn't be surprised if we can shoot up to prices of above the top right here in our wave 3. So please just keep this in mind. Meme coins are very irrational, and we can hop a lot higher than initially expected. But after that, I expect a wave 1 to unfold and a wave 2 correction, and we should be moving higher in our wave 3. But please keep in mind that this wave 3 target is the only minimum. I expect that we should top out somewhere here at 5 something cents. I don't know. And yes, please just keep this in mind. This is very, very important. And don't be surprised if we move lower in the next days and establish a wave 2, but my estimation as of now is that we have bottomed out in our wave 2 correction, and we should be moving to higher prices. So I guess that's it already. If you have questions, please write them to me, write them in email, and sign up on our website. I would be really happy to welcome everyone on our website. So that's it. Greetings from Zurich, Switzerland, and have a good one. Enjoy your weekend, and goodbye.